Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make an inclined, double fan folded ice-dyed shirt. The shirt was washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out of my Panda spin dryer so it's just barely damp. It's also turned inside out. To begin, I'm going to grab one of the lower corners of the shirt and fold it up to the opposite shoulder of the shirt, folding the shirt diagonally, but it won't be an even diagonal fold. Part of the fold is on one of the sleeves, so I'm just going to fold it the best that I can and smooth it out as flat as I can get it. I'm going to use a piece of kite string and a washable marker to draw an arc onto this corner of the shirt. Now I'm going to fan fold this line and use some kite string to hold these folds in place. Down below in the description for this video is a link to some of the items that I use when I tie-dye, and I have a link for the kite string that I purchased in that section. I'm going to continue fan folding the rest of the shirt and tie it up with some kite string too. When I get to the last sleeve, it's kind of an unusual shape, so I'm going to put some fan folds in it, and then I'm going to fold it back up into the rest of the shirt. It'll be a little bit easier to tie and dye that way. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to incline ice dye this shirt. So I've placed the shirt down inside of a piece of vinyl guttering, and for now I just have the vinyl guttering laying flat on the table. I'm beginning down at the very end of the shirt, and I'm adding Lime Pop from Dharma Trading Company, followed by Turquoise from Dharma Trading Company. This portion of the shirt is the very corner of the shirt and the shoulder. The next color is Lime Twist from Custom Colors. and Basic Blue from Pro Chemical and Dye. I'm going to do something a little bit different for the rest of the shirt. Instead of just adding it in stripes, I'm going to use a washable marker and draw some lines on or triangles on my shirt. On the top triangles, I'm going to alternate between lime pop and lime twist. And in the bottom triangles, I'm going to alternate between turquoise and basic blue. Now I'm going to add some additional soda ash to the top of the shirt, just so that I have plenty to react with the dye. And begin layering on the ice. To incline the shirt, I've taken a plastic tote or plastic tub, and I'm going to put one end of the guttering down into the bottom of the tub. That leaves the other end hanging over the edge of the tub and inclining the shirt. I'm going to add a little bit more ice on the top, just to make sure everything is covered, and then set it aside and allow it to process. After the first layer of ice melted, I came back and I added another layer of ice because there was quite a bit of undissolved dye sitting on top of the shirt. I waited an additional 24 hours and then I began rinsing the shirt in cold water. I rinsed in cold water to get out all the excess soda ash. Then I gradually warmed the water up to hot to rinse out any of the excess dye that didn't bond with the shirt. After I rinsed for a while, I added some hot water to my sink, put a small squirt of Blue Dawn dish detergent into the water, and just allowed the shirt to soak. I kept changing the water and repeating the soaking process until the water was almost clear. Then I put the shirt in the washing machine along with some Dharma's textile detergent. I washed it in hot water and then threw it in the dryer. And this is what the shirt looks like. So I really like the color combination in this shirt. The lime pop and the lime twist you would think would be pretty close in color, and they are, but the lime pop is a little bit more yellow than the lime twist. Both of the lime colors mixed with the turquoise and kind of toned the turquoise down. You can see the turquoise in there, but it's not a pure band of turquoise. The blue that you see is the basic blue from Pro Chemical and Dye. I think that dark green color that was formed is also kind of cool. I like that. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with the shirt. If you all have enjoyed this video, I sure would appreciate if you would hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.